In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check first message on Instagram. There are two clear ways to get to the very first message in a conversation. I'll start with the faster in-app method, then show you a more comprehensive option using Instagram's data export. First, open the Instagram app, tap the messages icon, the little paper airplane in the top corner, and select the chat you're interested in. Instagram shows the most recent messages near the bottom, so you'll need to work your way back in time. To do that, scroll up until you hit the very top of what's currently loaded. When you reach that point, keep holding or tapping at the top. Instagram loads older messages in small batches rather than the entire history at once, so each time you reach the top, it will fetch a bit more. Keep repeating this patiently until you arrive at the very first message, which will appear at the top of the thread. If your conversation is long, this can take a while. A stable connection helps, and it's normal for the app to pause briefly while it loads the next chunk. Try not to tap media or links while it's loading, as that can interrupt the flow and force you to refine your place. Now, if you want a more structured way to see the start of a conversation, especially useful for very long chats, use Instagram's data export. From your profile, tap the three lines in the upper right to open the menu. Go to Account Center, tap your information and permissions, then choose Export Your Information. Select Create Export, choose your Instagram profile, and set the destination to export to your device. Next, tap Customized Information, tap Clear All, so nothing extra is included, scroll down, and select Only Messages. Tap Save. Define the date range that covers the conversation you want. Choose HTML format, which is easy to view on your device, and then start the export. This creates a copy of your messages that Instagram prepares and makes available to you. Depending on the size of your chats, it may take some time. Once it's ready on your device, you'll be able to review the conversation in an organized, readable layout, which includes the very first message at the start of the thread. It's a reliable option when scrolling would take too long, and because you selected only messages, the export stays focused and relatively small. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram